Hey guys, what's up? It's I Love Grumpy Cat 2, and today I am back with episode 2 of Wolfcraft. As you guys can tell, I got a new skin today because I thought that my other one was slightly inappropriate. So that's all. Okay, so guys, today we are going to be spawning in the woods, which I have decided on names already. I need to go check out the papers. I've made a few changes to the wolf hut. Sorry if you guys had some recommendations for what I should do. Like there is a wolf swimming pool. So that's the breeding area over here. Okay, so I don't need you anymore. Oh well, I could use you for decoration in my house. So now that there's going to be 6 wolves. Okay. Wolf is Judy, then Fawn, then Rebecca, then Ruby, then Lizzie, and then Jacques. So as you can see, only one more wolf so far. So this is going to be Judy's bed. Yes, Judy's going to have the purple bed. Okay, hi there, Judy. No! Judy. Gosh. Same. So your name is Judy. Yes, Judy, hi. Oh, my room. And this is your home. Wolfcraft. Next wolf is Fawn. Judy, get off of Fawn's bed. Fawn's gonna have the yellow bed. Move. Yes, that's your bed. Oh well. Fawn will just have to do you. Oh, Fawn's a puppy. Hello, Fawn. That's the perfect name for you too. Hi there, little puppy Fawn. Is this your puppy, Judy? Fawn eats a lot. Yes. Hi there, Fawny. Hi there, Fawn girl. I'll go into the swimming pool. What? Oh, come on, Judy. Next up is Rebecca. Rebecca is gonna sleep outside. Because for my Rebecca and Lizzie. And why not have them be outdoorsy types? Rebecca and Lizzie are going to get green and blue. Well, cyan and blue. Satisfied. Hey, Judy. Okay, you know what? You can have that spot, yes. Oh. The fuck? Fudge. Yes, little phone. I'm giving you. Okay, you are Rebecca. No, Rebecca. Yeah. Come on. Out of the pool. Okay, well, at least you guys can swim. Oh, Puppy likes to swim. Come on, out of the pool, boys. I mean, girls. You too. Hey, yeah. Yeah, just a second. Let me go underwater. Yeah, come on. Okay, you guys can do whatever you want. After all, this is your life. Not mine. Oh god, monsters. Oh, I don't need monsters. I should have brought a bed. Oh. Wait, what? What? Wolf drowned. Who drowned? Yeah, who drowned? Oh. Rebecca, I think. I mean, no, Judy drowned. Oh, we'll need a new Judy. Hi, Judy. Yes, you're new Judy. Yeah, Judy's pop collar. Okay, you know what, guys? I think as one of the improvements, Come on. You don't seem to swim very well. Yes, I don't want you to drown. Good. Now come here. Boys. Yes, come on. Out of the water. I'm starting to think that the swimming pool wasn't such a good idea. Come on. Out of the water, little Fawn. Fawn! Fawn's gonna drown. Guys, Fawn is going to drown. Oh god, this is only the first episode of Wolfcraft, and one of my dogs and Judy already drowned. Next up is Rebecca. Is little old Lizzie. Hi there, Lizzie. Hi there. Oh, the little puppy likes to swim. Yeah, fine. Okay, so most of my dogs are gonna sleep outside. I'm gonna have one more dog inside. Fun. No. Did Liz seriously drown? Did Lizzie seriously drown? No, Rebecca drowned it. Rebecca. You're gonna be the new Rebecca. Okay, at nighttime I'm gonna have all my dogs sit. 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 Okay, guys, come on. You two. Over here. No, I don't need all my wolves in the pool. At least come where it's drier. Out. Come on. You don't want me to sit you down in the pool, do you, Judy? No, I didn't think so. Judy's just a little swimmer, I guess. Okay. Sit. No, not you, Fawn. I'm so sorry. Sorry, Fawn. Okay, so I'm now gonna push you. Okay, Judy, I am now gonna push you onto your bed for the night. Yes. No. No, you're on you and Fawn's bed. Get on that. Good dog. It's okay, Fawn. I won't leave you out there. Okay, move. Good doggy. Puppy. Puppers, move. Little Popeye. Okay. I'm gonna have you move. Okay, fine. Stand. Come on. Phone. Did your tail see? No! Fun! Out of the deep end. I want you out. My puppies are all swimmers. Looks like it's gonna be a rainy day in Wolfcraft. Good doge. Perfect weather for mobs. No. Yes. Yeah, everybody's gonna stay inside today, Fawn. You go on out. I think every wolf would rather stay inside anyways. Oh well. You know what? Let's just let all the Wolfcraft wolves stand up. See where they want. Oh, and also I'm going to block off the pool so that way no wolf can go swimming today. Hey. You. Look, I'm sorry. Guys, out of the swimming pool. No swimming today. Ugh. Come on. Wolfcraft wolves. Come on. Out of the pool. Out. On. Stand up. You're gonna drown. You are gonna drown. Guys, I just realized that I was almost running. Wow, it looks like one of my wolves drowned. Okay, so who's around this time? Guys, we didn't have much of a swimming pool today. Because today, I am not letting you guys swim. So you might as well stay out of the water. Yes, leave, Addison. And I'm also going to build something right here to cover up this little tidbit of water, just in case the wolves try get to it. I'm sorry, wolves, because it's a rainy day. Okay, now next up is little Jake. He's gonna look like he's actually a wild wolf, but he's not. No, that's right, cow. No, he's not a wild wolf. Here, Jake. Hi there, Jake. You have a strong bark. You are not going outside. Jake! No! Jake! Get over! Now, where are my wolves? Wait, what? Is one of them hurt? Dye your color. Yes, Jake. Now you look like you're actually a wild wolf. Then, last but not least, a magneto wolf. Wait, no, what did I want to name her? I forget. Her name is, let's see, what's her name? No, not Fawn, not Judy. Yes, Ruby. Hi. Hi there. Well, hi there, Rebecca. Come on in. Rebecca, how did you get out? Guys, come in here. Oh, well, these guys will teleport. Hey there, little Ruby, my puppy Whoppy. Yes, you are Ruby. You are Ruby, the smallest dog of them all. Hi, we got to get to bed, guys. So, guys, I hope you liked Wolfcraft for today. So, I'm going to be going to my house. Hello, yes, everybody. You guys can come hang out in my house for today. Looks like we won't be going on a Wolfcraft adventure today. Hurry, Wolf, come into my house. Come into my house. I want the thunder to be ugh. Looks like wolves. Looks like it. Wolfcraft looks like tonight is gonna be a dreary night. Wait. Okay. I thought for a second I was getting hungry. Here, you want some food? Little puppy. No, I am not growing you up, Fawn. Yes, Jake. I have an idea. I have an idea. Come on, Jake. Okay, so Jake and Rebecca. I'm gonna breed those two together. Jake. No, Jake. Okay, which one are you? Okay, good. You're Jake. I want to feed you. Jake. The wolves wolves eat apples. No, wolves don't. Okay, looks like I'm gonna have to go kill a cow. I'm sorry, guys, that I'm making you guys freeze out in this rain. Wait, we gotta go to the breeding station. I'm very sorry. Yes, everybody, after the cow. Moo. Oh, God, wolves. Are you guys okay? Okay, let's go to the breeding station, girls and boys. Today, you are gonna witness the birth of a new Wolfcraft puppy. I have an idea. I'm gonna bring two of my wolves together. And those wolves will be Jake and Ruby. So, Jake and Ruby, come on. Okay, so is everybody following? Yep. So Ruby's with Magneta. So I'm not gonna. Okay, everybody in. No, Jake, Ruby, I need you guys. Here, yes, this got your guys' attention, didn't it? Oh, wolf drowning. You're gonna be okay. No, guys, stop drowning yourselves. Oh, it's gonna be okay. Oh, God, come on. It's gonna be okay, guys. Not enough. Oh, guys, come on. Yes, wolves. Okay, one more star. And then we'll be ready. Okay, come on. No, I didn't want to do that. No, move. No, my wolves are drowning. My wolves are all drowning. Here, Ruby and Jake want the wolves that drowned. Come on, out! Why do you have to be so rebellious? Why do you have to be so rebellious? I don't know. Yes, come on. On the dirt, dog. Okay, come on. No, my wolves. Ugh. Guys, come on. For the meat. I will hit you onto that block, dog. Okay, now come on, out. Rebecca, get out, before you. Come on, my wolves. Yes, no. Oh wait, I thought I was holding. Yes. Get out. Oh, never mind. They'll teleport out. I'll just have to make a new Jake and Ruby. Hey there, Jake. No, Jake. No, Jake. Bad dog. Yes, you are Jake. Oh, Rebecca, come on in. Rebecca, in, dogs. Okay, Jake, sit. Rebecca, I'm gonna sit you down at that. No, not die. Sit. I'm sorry.
You doing dog craft?
Yes. Okay, now my new room. my Rubes. No, you are the new Ruby. I need you to be a good doggy. Oh wait, yeah. Tame. Jeez, how many bones do you need, dog? Get over here so I can tame you. Thank you. Now let me draw your color magneta. Yeah, you even like the color magnet. Okay, now come on. How do you make a lead again? Do I even have the materials for a lead? Well, first of all, I need a crafting table. 1, 2, 3, 4, and crafting table. Yes. Now lead. Seriously. Wolfcraft is griping. Okay, come on. Rubes. Ruby, sit. I did not know that wolves could do this, but whatever. Okay, Ruby. Okay, come on. Let's just stand you up. Stand, come on. Ruby, come on. Okay, Jakey, you and Ruby are gonna breed. Breedy? No! Jake! Sit. Ruby. Why do you guys do this to me? Okay, Jake, in. Okay, yeah, I'll just move you in this way. No, Jake. Come on. Stand. We need a Dr. 9 healer of our own. Oh, no, don't follow me. Good, no wolf follow me. Yeah, come on. Jake, you want the bone. You want it. Come on. Oh yes, you must remember what happened last time. Oh, Jake. Okay, come on. You were the smartest. Oh, and dogs. And I don't think Jake wants to be in a hotel in it. Hey! No! Jake! Okay. Oh, wait, you're not Jake. Who are you then? You better not be the new Ruby. Ruby. This dog. I will hit you out. Seriously, no. Come on, now follow me. Swim. Try and keep your cool, Spinks. Try and keep your cool. Dogs don't know any better. No. Get out. Out of the water. I don't want to have to restart this episode. Okay, guys. Let's just end this episode here. Bye.